Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you all about Dolphin Anti, the Antidetect browser perfect for entrepreneurs. We're going to jump right into it. And this is all about keeping your business safe, keeping your accounts safe, like your social media accounts, your payment accounts. I'm going to show you the exact right way to do it. And most people who try to scale online, right, you're scaling a business, things are working, you want to grow it, right, they hit a wall. Not because you have a bad strategy, not because you have bad products or bad marketing, or not because you're stupid. It's just because platforms start limiting the business. They start limiting accounts. They ban accounts. They suspend accounts. And let's say you're running TikTok shops or Facebook ads, Meta ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, right? Maybe you have a Shopify store or multiple stores. You probably run into accounts getting limited, payment accounts getting suspended, permanent bans on social media, right? I'll show you how to avoid all that and how to keep all of your accounts safe the right way with Dolphin Anti. It's super, super powerful. You see the link below. I'll show you over the shoulder later in this video. There are a bunch of pain points that are tied to keeping your account safe because every single account that you use online is tied to a digital identity. And it's deeper than you might think. Platforms are extremely good at linking identities together. A key fact that you need to understand is even if you create a brand new account, if it's from the same device or the same digital fingerprint, the social networks, the websites, the payment companies, whatever site we're dealing with, they know it's you. They've linked those accounts already together. They're extremely good at doing that. You're not going to be able to trick them if you're using the same device or the same digital fingerprint. So how do you do it the right way? How do you keep your accounts safe? That's why you use Dolphin Anti. It's what I highly, highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you more. We'll also log into my account. But right now you see dolphin-anti.com. You see the link below this video. It is the Antidetect browser that's going to help you earn money. It's going to help you keep your account safe. It's going to help you keep your business up and running because you'll be able to manage any number of accounts for advertising platforms, for social networks, for web scraping, marketing, affiliates, and way more. Right? Maybe you have Meta ads, right? You have YouTube ads, you have TikTok ads, you have Pinterest ads. You have Snapchat ads. You have Google ads. Then you have your different social networks for your accounts and your satellite accounts. Then you have all your different marketing accounts and your affiliate accounts, right? So many different accounts. You need to keep these separate, right? And over 860,000 people and 2,200 teams use Dolphin Anti every single day, right? Every single day, whether you're doing e-commerce, running a digital agency, affiliate marketing, media buying, right? A lot of these things that you're doing kind of all together, especially when you're running an e-com business, you'll be able to do it perfectly with Dolphin Anti. You'll use that Antidetect browser I'll show you as we go over the shoulder. There's even the synchronizer here, which allows you to take automations to the next level. You could literally run several profiles through the synchronizer tool. And basically all the actions from the master profile will get repeated on the other profiles. Saves you tons and tons of time. Lots of great features here, and it's super, super user-friendly. You could sort, you could search through different browser profiles. You can group them by niche and by status and really by any criteria that you want. And there are really, really easy ways for you to use and flexibly customize your digital fingerprint, and it's going to allow you to have full control over everything. You can create profiles in one click, manage fingerprints as much as you want. You have desktop and mobile fingerprints coming soon. You have device name spoofing, webcam spoofing, enhanced fingerprint spoofing. It all happens right inside of Dolphin Anti. It also works perfectly if you want to share your browser profiles within your team. So if you have a full team, you could use this as well. So highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over here. You can click the free access button, and you'll be able to follow along as I go over the shoulder with you and show you Dolphin Anti and the Antidetect browser. Okay, we are inside of Dolphin Anti, and I downloaded the program here for my Mac. You'll be able to download it for whatever platform. And once you're brought in over here, you see the different sections that are available to you. And really what we want to be doing is focusing on creating different profiles and keeping everything separate so all of our accounts are always safe. One of the biggest benefits about using Dolphin Anti, keeping your account safe really super easily. First things first, create profile. So when we come up over here and click create profile over here, and remember we have that synchronization tool as well. We're always going to want to enable that. We'll be able to create different profiles here to keep things separate. And we're going to go through over here. We'll just name it. I'll go in main Instagram account, and I'll put my Instagram account. So we can do something like this where we constantly have our accounts separated and profiles named for each account. Right? We can come over here and maybe we create some new tags here, and you see that there are different profile types we could put inside here. For example, Facebook or Google or TikTok. We're going to come over and leave that. We have start pages, right? We could literally go and have Instagram load right into my profile as soon as we start. We'll set up a proxy over here as well. This is an ability for you to set up basically where the location is going to be from your login. So come over here and you could enter in your proxy information. You could also get free proxies this way directly through Node Maven, really easy to do. So we'll use the free one that they give us here, get proxy, and you see it gets added immediately right here into our profile. So you could even use proxies there. You could do no proxy, really up to you. Full control over everything over here, and go to the advanced settings where we have proxy information, operating system options, hardware parameters, literally everything that we want. You can get very advanced here when it comes to creating all of your advanced options. You could also import different browser profiles and fingerprints as well. But we're good to go here. We'll click create profile, and you see that we have our account profile over here. Now, what does this mean? Well, we have a profile here, and maybe I'll create a secondary profile too. I'll say main Facebook account, and it could be my Facebook account, and we'll put Facebook, right? You can go and have profile type logged in there, or you could just automatically have it. We'll come over here, we'll use our save proxy, or I'll just show you an example of no proxy here. Go and click create profile. So you see we have different profiles here, and we can come over at any time, edit our profiles, of course. I'll come back over and put ready. So we have different profiles here. What happens when we click the start button? Well, this is where the Antidetect browser from Dolphin Anti comes in. We're going to go and click start here. Once we start this session with this profile, everything will be self-contained. Everything will be separate. So we're logging into our Instagram account right now, and we'll be able to literally come right inside here and do all the different things that we need to do. Maybe we want to send DMs, maybe we want to comment or follow people, unfollow, right? Make sales, do marketing, post content, schedule content. It's all possible right inside here. And the really cool part about this is just a browser, just like any other browser. Right? And you could log in, you can create new accounts, you can connect to Facebook. It really couldn't be any easier. And when you're done, you simply just go over here and you click stop, or you close out the browser. Either way, it's going to end that session. And that's really important because remember, this session and this profile will always be kept separate from your other profiles. You might have 2 profiles, 10 profiles, 50 profiles, right? And you can go to each one separately. So now let's say we want to go into our Facebook account. We'll come over here and click start. And you already know exactly what's going to happen. The same process is going to jump right in. We'll go right to our Facebook page. And again, we'll log in, do everything. Like, comment, share, run ads, run marketing, right? Everything's separate. So we know our accounts are always going to be safe. So basically you'll see, or you'll start to have a list of all of your different profiles right over here. You could have different tags. You could sort. You could make sure that you have everything organized exactly the way you want. Other sections include the proxies section over here where you could add and manage all your proxies. You could add scripts right over here in the scenarios section. You got your bookmarks, extensions. You could add team members over here as well. They have a fully functional API, and you also got all your settings down here. If you ever need to reach out to support, got that chat support right down here. Really quick to respond as well, so highly recommend their support. And it's really all enclosed right here in the Dolphin Anti software. So there you have it. Super, super easy to use. Also highly, highly recommended. And you see the link directly below this video. Use coupon code CENER20, CENER20. You see it below this video. You're going to save 20% off your first subscription. All you need to do is jump in, click the free access button. You'll be able to follow along exactly with what I did, and you'll be able to start using that Antidetect browser. Keep your account safe ASAP. And I highly, highly recommend Dolphin Anti. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, make sure you jump into Dolphin Anti, get the Antidetect browser to start protecting your profiles, and I'll see you in my next video.